Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create 16 photos layout on Instagram story. Yes, Instagram doesn't have any inbuilt feature of 16 photos layout, but I will show you how you can create it over Instagram. Just tap on it on your story option, right? And here you have to just scroll a little bit down and just go to layout, right? Once you go to the layout, you have to just select the fourth section. For example, this is it, and you have to just go and select every four photos, right? For example, I want the first one this, and for the second one I will just go and use this second one. Then for the third one, right, same way you have to just select all the photos, right? So once our full layout is done, I will just tap on this OK, and I will just save this, right? Once I save this, okay, and it is saving, I will just discard and I will continue and make all the four just by using the same step, right? For example, I will just go here, right, and again I will just select the four layout. For example, I will here four layout and I will select the four images, right? For example, this one, and here this, again this, and we will just follow this same step again and again. So guys, I've done everything. Now I will just go back and I will show you the secret, the trick to do it. I will again select the 4-1, right? I will select this 4-1 grid here, right? And I will just go here and I will select my all the designs. The first one is this, the second one is this, third one goes here, and for example, let's take this fourth one, right? So here you can just create a 16, right? And again I will tap on the OK button, and here I can just make a story, right? So once I tap on it, my story is done. Or if you want to, you can just post it just by saving this image, right? So this is how you can create a 16 photos layout on Instagram story. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.